Hello, my friends. Welcome to your 30 minutes dynamic yoga flow for strength and flexibility. No props required today, and we'll begin in a child's pose. So please make the way onto the mat whenever you are ready. I'll meet you there. Bring the big toes together to tucks behind you. Send the hips on the heels. Open the knees as much as you need. You can sitting on a pillow or cushion here. Walk your hands forward and rest the forehead down onto the mat. Just a moment here to arriving into the body, arriving into your space, and the moment right here on the mat. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, let it go. One more just like that. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Beautiful. And this time, seal your lips, cultivating Ujjayi breath, which is you just inhale and exhale through the nose. Keep breathing, my friend. And it's a beautiful opportunity to set an intention for your practice today. Think about what brought you onto the mat today and set your own intention. We will seal that intention by one breath together. Let's take a deep inhale. Exhale, let it go. Beautiful. When you are ready, we begin to move. Come up to a tabletop position. Shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Inhale, lift the right leg off of the mat, extend the right leg back. Exhale, reach your left arm beside the left ear. Continue breathe here. Push your right palm away from the mat. Level the hips, hug the navel towards the spine. Take a deep inhale to get long. Exhale, crunch and tap. Right knee, left elbow. Keep pushing the right palm away from the mat, grounding through the spine. And let's flow, my friend. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, round and tap. Inhale, reach it longer. Exhale, crunch and contract. And this time, inhale, reach it out. Exhale, bend the right knee, grab the right toes, kick the right heel up, open the heart option, left hands on the mat. Use the core. Lift the chest, open the heart. Beautiful. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand on the mat and extend the right leg to the right side. Open the left arm up for a twist. And exhale, thread the needle. Left arm underneath the right, left shoulder, left cheek down to the mat. Keep pushing the right palm away from the mat and press the hip to the left side for a deeper shoulder twisting and spinal rotation. You got this, my friend. Open the left arm up for one more twist on this side. Exhale, tabletop position. Lift the left leg up. Kick the left heel back. Reach your right arm beside the right ear. Pushing the left palm away from the mat. Hug the navel towards the spine. Level the hips. Take a deep inhale to get long. Exhale, crunch and tap. Right elbow, left knee. Keep pushing the left palm away from the mat, rounding your spine a little deeper. And let's flow, my friend. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, round and tap. Inhale, reach it further. Exhale, rounding deeper. And this time, inhale, reach it out. Exhale, bend the left knee. Grab the left toes. Kick the left heel, open your heart. Option, Right hand on the mat, use your core. Keep kick the left heel up. Keep open your heart forward. One more inhale. Exhale, open the left leg to the left side. And open the right arm up for a twist. Thread the needle, right arm underneath the left, right shoulder, right cheek down to the mat. Keep pushing the left palm away from the mat. Press the hips to the right. Breathe into that shoulder twisting and spinal rotation. You got this. Open the right arm up for one more twist on this side. And exhale, tabletop position. In the tabletop, walk your hands forward to a puppy pose. Bring the chin or the forehead down to the mat, allowing the chest melting down towards the earth. Beautiful. Press the forearms down to the mat. Lift the shoulders up. Tuck the toes. Lift the knees off of the mat to a forearm plank pose. Continue breathe here for a moment. Hold the navel towards the spine. Keep the gaze at the top of the mat. Beautiful. You can continue breathe here or dip the hips to the right side. And come back to center. Dip the hips to the left side. And come back to center. Keep it going, my friend. Dip the hips side to side. Wake up the side body. Strengthen the core. Stay with me. Just 4 more rounds. 3 more rounds. 2 more rounds. Keep it going. You're almost there. 1 more round. Right, center, and left. Amazing. Come back to center. Drop the knees down. Belly down to the mat. Kiss the mat. Hands to the long edge of the mat. Press the top of the feet down to the mat. Inhale, lift the chest. Open the heart to a wide arm cobra pose. Drop the shoulder blades down to the tail. Exhale, lower the chest, chin back down to the mat. Two more rounds. Inhale, lift the chest, open the heart. Squeeze the glutes. Exhale, chest, chin back down to the mat. 1 more round. Inhale, just like that. And exhale, let it go. Hands underneath the shoulder. Inhale, baby cobra. Lift the chest halfway off of the mat. Exhale, lift the legs up of the mat to a locust leg here. Squeeze the inner thighs in towards together. Balance on the belly. Strengthen the lower back. See if you can extend the arms beside you here. Breathe. 1 more inhale. Exhale everything down. Kiss the mat. Hands underneath the shoulder. Inhale to a full cobra. Push your palms away from the mat. Open your heart. Exhale, down dog. Tuck the toes and the hips up and back. In the first down dog, take whatever you need here. Maybe pedal the feet. Maybe sway the hips side to side. Or shake the head, yes or no. You got this. We meet back in a stillness down dog. Inhale, right leg up, 3-legged dog. Exhale, bend the right knee, stack the hips. Inhale, right leg up, 3-legged dog. Exhale, right foot between the hands. Inhale, shifting the shoulders forward and lift the left leg up to a standing L pose. Or you can call it is one leg halfway lift Keep breathing here, whatever you want to call. Elongate your spine. Level your hips. One more inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Both heels to the top of the mat. Chest over the thigh, head hang heavy. Inhale, mountain pose. Circle your hands up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the right arm behind, left arm in the front. Level the hips. You got this. Inhale, mountain pose. Both hands up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left. Both hands up to sky, mountain pose. Baby back bend, cut to the arms, open your heart. Mountain pose, both hands up to sky. Forward fold, hinge from the hips. Hands back down to the earth, head hang heavy. Halfway lift, inhale, flat the back. High plank, plant the palms, step the toe to the back of the mat to high plank. Engage the core. Drop the knee, chest chin down, low plank. Inhale, cobra or up dog onto the toes. Open your heart. Exhale, down dog. Push your palms away from the mat. Tuck the toes and the hips back and up. Beautiful. Inhale, left leg up. 3-leg dog. Exhale, bend the left knee, stack the hips. Inhale, left leg up, 3-leg dog. Exhale, left foot between the hands. Inhale, shifting the shoulders forward. Pick up the right leg to a standing L pose. Continue breathe here. Elongate your spine. Level the hips. Hug the navel towards the spine. Beautiful. One more inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Both heels to the top of the mat. Head hang heavy. Chest reach to the thighs. Mountain pose. Inhale, circle your hands up to the sky. Exhale, interlace the fingers. Lean the torso to the right to a side body stretching here. Level the hips, level the shoulder, press the hip to the left, reach your arms to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, side body stretch to the left. Reach your arms to the left, press the hip to the right. Try to keep the hips as squared. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, chair airplane, bend the knees, circle the arms behind. Option, drinking bird, lift the heels off of the mat, extend the tailbone back, reaching the crown of the head to the front. Option, reach your arms beside the ears. For more challenge, extend the tailbone back, maybe interlace the fingers, and flip the palms facing out in front of you. Stretch out through the back of the shoulders, your spine. One more inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Hands down, heels down. Halfway lift, inhale, flat the back. High plank, exhale. Plant the palms, step the toe to the back of the mat, high plank. In this time, take a deep inhale, shifting the shoulders forward. Exhale, low plank. 90-degree the elbows. Option, knee chest chin down, same as the first round. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart, your choice. Exhale, down dog. Amazing. Right leg up, 3-leg dog. Right knee to the nose, squeeze the knee to the nose, shifting the shoulder forward. Push your palms away from the mat. Right leg up, 3-leg dog. Right foot between the hands. Bend the left knee down to the mat, circle the hands up the sky to a crescent moon. See if you want to send the hips lower down to the earth, continue breathe. Option, cut to the arms, open your heart for back bending here. You got this. Both hands up to sky. Exhale, half splits. Straighten the right leg. Send the hips to the back, heel, chest over the right thigh. Option hands down to the mat for support. Breathe in through the right hamstring, right outer hip. We have a big transition in here, my friend. Inhale, warrior two to the left. Rebend the right knee. Dip the back knee. Pivot the back heel down. Open up to the left. Cup feet to the arms. Right hand front, left hand back. Widen the stand as much as you want to strengthen the inner legs here. Shoulders over your hips. You got this. Beautiful. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, extend the side angle. Right arm on your right thigh. Left arm beside the left ear. Open the top side of the body up and back. Option right fingertips down to the mat for more intensity and more challenge. Breathe. You got this. Inhale, reverse warrior. Stay strong on the lower body. High five the right hand up and back. Option grab the right thigh with the left hand here. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, high to low plank. Both hands down. Extend the right leg back. Option one leg plank. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart. Exhale, down dog. You got it. Left leg up, three leg dog when you are ready. Squeeze the left knee into the chest. Left leg up, three leg dog. Left foot between the hands. Drop the right knee down, so go the hands up. Crescent moon. Continue breathe. Option lower your hips down towards the earth. Option cut to the arms for back bend. Whatever works for you. Beautiful. Both hands up to sky. Half splits. Straighten the left leg. Arms beside. Chest over the left thigh. Option hands on the mat. Breathe. You got this. The transitioning here we go. Inhale. Warrior two to the right. Bend the left knee. Tuck the right toes. Lift the right knee. Open the arms to the right. Shoulders over the hips. Lower the hips down. To strengthen the inner legs, lower body. And breathe. Keep the chest proud. Take one more inhale. Exhale. Extend the side angle. Left forearm on the left thigh. Right arm above the right ear. Open the top side of the body up and back. Inhale, reverse warrior. High five the left hand up and back. Option grab your left thigh with the right hand. Continue breathe. You got this. One more inhale. Exhale, high to low plank. Option one leg plank. Up dog or cobra. Option skip it. Exhale, down dog. Beautiful. And we will be flowing those movements 2 more rounds, and we're adding some movement on. When you are ready, let's flow to let something go, my friend. Inhale, right leg up, 3 leg dog. Right knee to the nose, exhale. Right leg up, 3 leg dog. Right foot between the hands, exhale. Left knee down, inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, half splits. Inhale, warrior two, open up. Exhale, extend the triangle, right forearm down, left arm beside the left ear. Inhale, reverse warrior. High five the right hand up and back. Exhale, high to low plank. Up dog or cobra. Exhale, dark dog. Left leg up, 3-leg dog. Left knee to nose. Left leg up, 3-leg dog. Left foot between the hands. Right knee down. Crescent moon, inhale. Half split, exhale. Warrior 2, inhale. Extend the triangle, exhale. Reverse warrior. Reach your left hand up and back. High to low plank, exhale. Up dog or cobra. Down dog. Beautiful. Third round, we're adding some movement on. Right leg up, 3-leg dog. Knee to nose, exhale. Right leg up, 3-leg dog. Foot between the hands. Crescent moon, inhale. Half split, exhale. Warrior 2, inhale. Triangle, exhale. And from here, left hand on the left hip, right hand above the right toes. Lift the left leg up to a half moon. Deep stretching through the front and back side of the body. Stack the shoulders, stack the hips. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand down to the mat. Flip the hip facing to the mat. Open the right arm up for a revolve half moon. Breathe. Twist a little deeper. Engage your core. Kick the left heel a little higher for a twist. One more inhale. Exhale, bend the right knee. Set the left toes back down to the mat. Inhale, exalted crescent. Right hand behind the left thigh. Reach your left hand up and back. Lower the hips down. Breathe. You got this. Inhale, star pose. Turn the body to the left. Pivoting all 10 toes to the left. Continue breathe. Amazing. One more inhale. Exhale, cup with tilt your arms here, hinge from the hips. Wide leg forward fold. Grab the ankles, reach across the head down to the mat. Hinge from the hips, shifting the waist toward the balls of the feet here. With control, hinge from the hips, inhale. Come back to a star pose. Beautiful. Exhale, warrior 2. Bend the right knee. Open the arms. Inhale, reverse warrior. High five the right hand up and back. Exhale, low lunge. Both hands to the top of the mat. Inhale, low lunge twist. Pivot the left heel. Open the right arm. Continue breathe here or set the left heel down to the mat and sweep the right leg behind to a flip dog. And breathe. One more inhale. Exhale, high to low plank. Option 1 leg plank. Up dog or cobra. Down dog. Got this. Left leg up, 3-leg dog. Left knee to nose. Left leg up, 3-leg dog. Left foot between the hands. Crescent moon. Inhale. Half split, exhale. Inhale, warrior 2. Open up to the right. Exhale, extend the triangle. Left forearm down, right arm up. Right hand on the right hip. Left hand above the left toes. Engage your core, pick up the right leg to a half moon. Stack your shoulders, stack your hips. Stretch out through the front and the back side of the body. And with control, right hand down to the mat. Left arm up, For a revolve half moon. Kick the right heel a little higher. Reach your left hand a little further for a deeper twisting. Twist to let something go, my friend. One more inhale. Exhale. Bend the left knee, set the right toes to the back of the mat. Inhale, exalted crescent lunge. Left hand behind the right thigh. Right hand up and back. Breathe. Lower the hips down to the mat a little down. Beautiful. Inhale, star pose. Open up to the right. Breathe. Reach your both arms up to sky. And breathe here. Cup to teach your arms. Interlace the fingers behind the back. Inhale, press the knuckles down to the mat. Open your heart. Exhale, wide leg forward fold. Hands from the hips. Drop your hands towards the head direction. Maybe shake the head yes or no. To let go any tension, stiffness you may have at the back of the neck. Beautiful. Hands underneath the shoulders when you are ready. Inhale, star pose, everything up. Exhale, warrior two to the front. Bend the left knee. Reach your arms out. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, low lunge twist. Open the left arm up. Same other side, you can continue breathe here or pivot the right heel down and sweep the left leg behind you to a flip dog. Push your right palm away from the mat, left arm above the left ear. Breathe. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, high to low plank. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart. Exhale, down dog. Amazing. Right leg up, three-legged dog. Right knee to the right wrist for a single pigeon pose. Extend the left leg back. Lift the chest up and just sit up right here for a moment. Breathe. And rest the forehead down to the mat for a moment. Walk your hands forward. Bring the forehead down to the mat. Beautiful. Lift the chest up. Swing the left leg forward. And stack your left shin on top the right for a double pigeon pose. You can sit up right here or walk your hands forward for a deeper stretching. Maybe bring the forearms down to the mat. Maybe reaching the chest on top of your left shin. You got this, my friend. Lift the chest up. Cross the legs. Use the momentum. Shoulders forward. Toe to the back to a down dog. Left leg up, three-legged dog. Left knee to the left wrist. Single pigeon pose. Extend the right leg back. Sit up right here for a moment. You got this. Rest the forehead down to the mat for a moment. Walk your hands forward. Bring the forehead down to the mat. Lift the chest up. Swing the right leg forward. Double pigeon pose. Your right shin on top of the left shin here. Same other side, you can sit up right here or walk your hands forward for a deeper stretching. Slowly melting the chest towards the top shin. You got this, my friend. Lift the chest up and open the legs to a straddle here, straddle V shape. Press the heels away from the hips, flat the toes to the hips here, maybe hands on the hips, and rocking the hips front and back for a moment. You got this. Walk your hands forward, extend the tailbone back and down, hug the navel towards the spine and lower the belly down to the mat. If you are feeling comfortable here, just bring the forearms down to the mat. Or reach your arms out in front of you. Bring the belly and then the chest, the chin down to the mat. You can enjoy your deep stretching here a little longer if you like. When you are ready, walk your hands back to the hips and bring your heels together to the top of the mat. And from here, I'll turn this side. Straighten the legs out and bend your left knee into the chest. Hug the left knee with the right arm here. Left hand behind the hip for a seated twisting. Keep lengthening your spine and twist from the belly to the chest. Maybe close the eyes for a moment to go deep inside. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, release the twist and straighten the left leg out, bend the right knee in. Hug your right knee into the chest, right hand behind you. Lengthening your spine and twist. You got this. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, straighten the legs out in front of you. Keep breathing here out, turn back to the top of the mat. Circle your hands up to sky. Exhale, seated forward firm, forehead to knee. Breathe here for a moment. You got this. Circle your hands up to sky and lay down on the back. Bend the knees, heels to the hips. Hands by the side. Inhale, lift the hips up to a bridge pose. Continue breathe here. Option in, place the fingers underneath the hips and press the knuckles away from the shoulder. Beautiful. Bring your hips back down to the mat. Hug the knees into the chest. Take one more goodbye inhale. Squeeze the knees in. Lift the forehead to the knees. Make a tiny needle ball through your spine. Exhale, Savasana pose. Straighten the legs. Your arms by the sides, your palms facing up. Relax completely the physical body and your mind. Keep relaxing in Savasana pose as long as you like, my friend. So that was your 3 minutes yoga practice today. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful the rest of the day. The lion bow to the lion you. Namaste.